CCNA. What is CCNA? Cisco Certified Network Associate. The CCNA acknowledges basic abilities in installing, supporting, and also repairing wired and/or cordless networks. One can select from a number of tracks, including cloud, cooperation, cyberops, data facility, industrial, routing and switching, safety, service provider, and also wireless. The Cisco CCNA qualification, which represents Cisco Qualified Network Partner, describes a variety of technological expertise that Cisco offers the IT globe. Cisco Certified Network Associate experts can make connections to remote websites using a broad area network, 1. Reduce basic network security hazards, and also recognize basic networking concepts and terms. Cisco Certified Network Associate is a well-recognized qualification from Cisco, a leading vendor in the field of network equipment. It is an associate or a novice degree qualification. It is globally recognized and highly valued in the market. Cisco Certified Network Associate is offered in many tracks from Cisco. Complying with are a few of one of the most prominent Cisco Certified Network Associate tracks that can opt. CCNA routing and also switching, cloud, partnership, information facility, safety and security. About CCNA certification. Along with your CCNA accreditation, you will boost your understanding of Cisco networking. This supplies you comprehensive understanding that you can utilize in your occupation. Today the networking world is expanding. Various types of innovations are showing up, like SDN, software-defined networking, and also the cloud. These modern technologies are exceptionally altering the networking domain and introducing various task functions. So this qualification makes you an ideal fit for the brand new task functions in the IT area. The future of Cisco Certified Network Associate certification is excellent if you have an eager interest in networking. But it is a fundamental or key level of networking qualification. Significance of CCNA training in 2021. The CCNA training offers different occupation courses like Network Specialist, Help Desk Engineer, Network Support Designer, Solution Desk Engineer, and others. In the CCNP training, you can also obtain various task possibilities like Network Analyst, Equipment and Network Designer, Network Professional, and IT Group Leader. Through our CCNA training, find out networking principles as well as progressed concepts with hands-on technique and simulations to create your abilities. Cisco Certified Network Associate routing, as well as switching curriculum, develops the abilities you need to get hired as well as succeed in jobs related to networking computer systems, devices, and things. Whether you choose that very first job or specialize with even more research study, this training is a terrific structure. This accreditation verifies associate-level expertise and also abilities called for to secure Cisco networks. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for CCNA training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Cisco Certified Network Associate training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for CCNA training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/